Alright, time for the lightning road. Alright, let's play. Alright. Man, I'm so excited. I'm like ready to go. That shit part is so annoying. Not ending this video until I get a new best on the lightning road. This is so annoying. Introduce to me as the sits in the hall. Yo, I did a swag route, but then I died. Is that part only used for upside down ship? It's definitely used. Definitely should be used for regular ship. But bro, actually, that swag route was pretty unexpected. I did not know how I did that. I think I went under the ship portal. Well, no, I went under like the jump pad. Then I just did that swag route. So weird. Swag. Oh, bro, that was my best score. It was at 65 for like a second, but then I died. I could have gotten, well, you know what, I'm gonna try again. Swag. Oh! 56. How many attempts did it take you to beat the lightning road? Because for me, it's gonna take probably like 600 attempts. Ugh. I think it's gonna take like 600 because I might have to do like 1 or 2 more practice runs to actually learn the level correctly. I am almost positive it's gonna have like almost 600 attempts by the time I beat it. No. What did I even do wrong? Nothing. Someone could have killed me. I'm really good at this ball part. I'm already great at it. What's weird is that there's like no spikes. There's hardly any. Mostly just those bushes. Bro! I can't jump there. Did my brain censor the jumping pad? Ugh. Swag. Bro, I just needed to jump. Like, I just have to jump and then I'm there. Like, all I have to do on that part is just jump and then boom, new best. You're good. Ugh. $68. Okay, I forgot to jump on that part, but that's okay. At least I got a new best.